Hello, my name is Pete Carlson. I am the math teacher of your child. I teach algebra and geometry. I've been at Lakeside since 2007, and I just want to give you a little bit of information to kind of help this school year be as successful as it possibly can be. My email is peter_carlson@decabschoolsga.org. I teach algebra. I also teach geometry, but I want to first go through my algebra codes with you guys. I have 3 different algebra classes: first period, third period, and 7th period. I use Google Classroom to communicate what my assignments are. Again, I use Google Classroom to communicate what my assignments are. So if your child misses class, they don't need to email me to ask me what they missed. They don't need to wait till they come back into class to see what they missed. They can check Google Classroom around 3:30 each day, and I will post if there was a homework assignment and where to find that homework assignment. Most of the homework assignments are done in what we call Delta Math. It's a website. It's a great website. It allows the kids to get tutorial videos and to also practice the topics that we're going over. I have 2 co-teachers at this point. In 3rd period, I have Mr. Lopez. His email is below. And in 7th period, I have Miss Singer. Her email is also below. My geometry class codes are the same thing, same as what we do with algebra. If your child misses a day in class, have them go ahead and look at those Google Classroom codes, and they can see what they missed. My geometry classes are 4th period and 5th period. Tutoring. I offer tutoring in the morning before school around 7:30. If they get there at like 7:40, 7:45, that's also good. They don't have to be there right at 7:30. But I like to do my tutoring in the morning. I can also do tutoring in the afternoon at 3:15, but I would prefer to do it in the morning. And I would also like for you to give me a heads up before they come in. Expectations, they definitely need to make sure they bring their Chromebook every day. They need a calculator every day. Now, there is a calculator on the Chromebook, so that can be used, but they can't use their phone as a calculator. And they need something to write with and something to write on. They can use pencil, pen, and I'm not picky on that. So that's it. That's me. I look forward to getting to know your child this year, and if there's ever anything that you need, please reach out and let me know. I'm pretty good about getting back to people on emails. If you don't hear from me within 24 hours, then call the cops. Have a great guy.